Howdy friends of Facebook, this is John Lamson with American Shield Roofing and Construction. We're out here on the east side of Hallettsville, Texas today up on top of a commercial building installing an Attic Breeze 35 watt solar powered attic vent. This was a customer that came to us a couple months ago asking if we had this kind of capabilities, and we said sure, we can definitely take care of that for you. So here we are today. We've already done the installation of the attic fan. I want to give you a brief look of what it's all about. We're also down below right now adding some gable end vents to the property, so we have proper ventilation for this particular project. So it's a neat little deal. It's a solar powered deal, so it's not even hardwired to any kind of electrical. In this day and time with solar power, this is the solar power trend that's going on in America. This seems to be a great idea for these guys, and this thing actually comes with a 20%, I believe it's 20% tax reduction. So this is something that the property owner is going to be able to put down on their taxes as a solar powered deal, that they can get a reduction on their taxes. I'm not a big tax guy, so I'm going to move around and show you what we got. So there it is right there, ladies and gentlemen. Not really much to it. This is a curb mounted solar powered 35 watt Attic Breeze solar fan. What this this comes with a curb kit. You can see down below how this thing sits on a block of sorts. That's your curb, and then the fan unit itself actually sits up on top of that curb. Now the product comes with some self-flashing material, kind of like an ice and water shield or a rubberized type of material that's used to keep the moisture out. And then after we installed that, we came back with some TPO cover, some sealant right there all the way around to make it all look good. So this thing is it's adjustable. They recommend that these units be facing the south so that they get the maximum exposure of sunlight throughout the year. This is good for any kind of attic ventilation that can be done on residential, it can be done on commercial. It doesn't matter the roofing material. They have all sorts of different components that we can use to make this thing do what it's supposed to do. So kind of a neat deal. The way this thing works is it has an internal thermostat, so it actually tests the air temperature inside the attic, and once it gets to a certain temperature, the fan itself inside, I don't know if we can get up underneath there and see it, but there's actually a fan up underneath there inside that shroud that draws the heat out. So kind of a neat deal, really. Okay, a very, very neat deal right now. This is something that we've added to our repertoire here recently. We've had probably about 3 or 4 of these things going up already this year, and we're looking to add this to our repertoire with any homeowner or any commercial builder, or not necessarily commercial builder, commercial owner. If you guys have any kind of issues with ventilation on your house or your building or something like that, this is definitely a go-to product, something we believe in and something that we trust. So anyways, I just want to give everybody an update on that, let you see what's going on with it. Hope everybody's having a good Thanksgiving Eve. Gobble gobble. You guys have a great day tomorrow. Get some rest, spend some time with your family, and have a great Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys next week.